Just because you're selling a house as is, it doesn't mean that the buyer doesn't care what's wrong with it. In fact, the opposite is actually true, especially when you're dealing with a professional home buyer here in Knoxville who are putting their own money up to buy the property from you. Most serious buyers will be taking on 100% of the risk, and that should count for something. That's why real cash buyers will always want to walk the property at least once to understand what they're buying, not just making a cash offer sight unseen. If there are major foundation issues or the house is in complete disrepair, that's not a deal breaker for these cash buyers because most of them are fine buying properties that need serious work completely as is. What they don't like are surprises, like most people, of course, especially when it feels like something was intentionally held back or there are surprises that could derail the entire plan for the house that they originally had. They aren't asking for repairs, but they do want to understand what they're getting into and they want to know what their exit plan is before they actually buy your house.